SimpleStep Ignite ELISA delivers sensitive results in just 55 minutes. Start by preparing reagents, standards, and samples as per instructions. Add 50 microliters of all sample or standard to wells. Add 50 microliters of the antibody cocktail. Seal the plate and incubate for 30 minutes at room temperature on a plate shaker set to 750 RPM. The sandwich complex will form and bind to the microplate via a tagged capture antibody. Wash wells 3 times with 350 microliters of wash buffer for 30 seconds and remove excess liquid. Add 50 microliters of development solution and incubate in the dark for 60 seconds at 750 RPM. The chemiluminescent substrate will react with the HRP on the detector antibody, instantly producing light. Finally, measure the luminescence and analyze your data. SimpleStep Ignite ELISA. Ignite the pace of discovery.